Hello, everyone, I'm Zizan. Welcome to this watch customer review. Today, I will briefly explain the customer's words. Is a Max from Nike factory with a green oil color. This is a new color for the M family. Before that, M also made a Max with Patrolman in carbon metal, which is the gray dial. This time is also a new color. It's green oil. In this issue, I will briefly explain to you its appearance, the workmanship details, and its movement. First of all, let's take a look at its dial design. The dial design is the color of green mackerel oil. Let's take a look at its real label. Three-dimensional printing, an inverted triangle, which is the same as the description. The inverted triangle has a three-dimensional effect. Its color will not affect the color of the green garbage. Let's look at the hands. The two needles are also pressed and bent. The two needles are also used as a bending process. Its scale hour markers are made quite neatly and delicately, including its logo. The polishing of the pointer has no obvious traces, and relatively clean, including its other numbers. Arabic numeral hour markers are all three-dimensional. The polishing of the pointer, solid central axis, and a solid metal large central axis. The solid central axis. Let's talk about its mirror. The mirror is a relatively transparent sapphire mirror and then coated with a blue film effect. You can see the effect in the outdoors. The blue film coating looks very beautiful. The mirror is a relatively high transparency. Then let's talk about titanium. A titanium watch is a watch made of titanium metal. Let's simply weigh it. It's in a zero state now. Its weight is 76 grams. Then let's talk about the watch case. For the case, its titanium metal treatment is a very delicate sandblasting process. You can see it under a magnifying glass, which is gray titanium. The bezel is engraved with clear words. The size is the same as the original one. The crown is also a lock crown that rotates down to open. Pull it up to adjust the force. The direction of the time is the same as the original because the original's latest model is the same as the original one, and then adjust the time downwards. It's M+. This movement is equipped with a Japanese 901 movement. Pull it up to adjust the force. It's adjusted here. The direction of the time is the same as the original. Lock it back. Let's take a look at its luminous effect. The luminous effect of this model. The mouse is very three-dimensional and the luminous effect is relatively bright. The green one is softer. Let's take a look at the bottom cover. The design of the bottom cover is a small hole with many small holes. The font engraving is still very clear, and the font is engraved very clearly. The strap is matched with this quick-release rubber strap. The green one is softer. You can see that the buckle is made of titanium metal. It's also made of titanium. Let's open the back cover again. Open the back cover to show you this movement. It's equipped with this Japanese 901 movement. This 901 movement, the direction of adjusting time is the same as the original. One of its disadvantages is that it makes a sound. There is a sound when going up and down in one direction. You can see the movement is relatively simple in structure and very durable. Each movement, let's take a look. Look at the current Mitsubishi models. Its variable speed is a central variable speed. It's a genuine machine. When it's automatically powered on, there's a sound. This direction is the correct way to power on. Look at this position, the gears are engaged, which is the direction of power on. This direction is idling. If it's idling, just turn it a few more times, so the sound of it comes from the sound of the automatic lock. Let's have a general understanding of it. The bottom cover is made of titanium metal. Finally, let's take a look at the actual product. Let's take a look at the wearing effect of this watch. Its strap is very soft, and the degree of how to stick it on the top is also relatively high. And this green color of the Maya oil, its various scales are very eye-catching. It looks very bright. It's very fashionable with this green strap. The mirror plating blue of it enhances the overall appearance. Titanium metal is very light to wear. It weighs only 77 or 66 grams. Okay, that's all for this watch. Welcome to Follow Me. More watch reviews will be brought